Barbecue Pitmasters of YouTube. I'm Lance of Sleeper BBQ. This is my first round cook. We'll bring you back. Hello, welcome back to Sleeper BBQ. Today we start the, I guess, I don't want to say season 2, but the second barbecue challenge put on by Joe of Smoking Pit Barbecue. This one is the Barbecue Pitmasters of YouTube. We have signed up for it, and our protein to cook, which was chosen for us, is chicken wings. I am cooking against Kent with Daddy Dutch Barbecue. He's been around longer than I have with YouTube, so I know I'm going to have to step my game up. Kent, brother, I wish you the best of luck, but I'm going to try to get to round 2, my friend. So hopefully you brought your game, because I'm bringing my game, and I just hope to move on to round 2. All right, then next what we're going to do is get some Uncle Steve's competition. All right, everybody showed up to the party. Let's get this lid closed and get some heat on these things. Next step is just to get some of this Uncle Steve's sauce with no name. If you haven't got it, you're missing out. All sauced up, I'm gonna close the lid, let the sauce set. And there you go, the barbecue wings on the Weber Vortex. And there they are, barbecue chicken wings that I pulled the meat off. I pulled the skin off first. To top these off, I have the skin. The skin that's in the refrigerator now in a bag. Right here. And I'm going to make chicharrones. All right, let's get some wings on here. All right, let's get some glazes and sauces on these things. I've made 5 different barbecue sauces by hand. One being a Mexican jalapeno glaze, one being a chipotle honey glaze, another one being a braised Southwest barbecue sauce, and another one being the American wing with the twist barbecue sauce. All right, there we have it. American wing barbecue sauce with a twist. This is the braised Southwest barbecue sauce that I made. Again, all these sauces I made today, I cooked them all up. This one here would be the honey chipotle glaze. And then this one is the Mexican jalapeno glaze. What we have here is smoked barbecue chicken wings, pulled the meat off the bones, and stuffed sausage casings with it to make smoked barbecue, hickory smoked barbecued chicken wing links. So then I thought, don't let the skins go bad or go to waste. So I'm going to top these sausage links up with chicken wing chicharrones. Okay, well, hopefully you understood all that. I am going against another YouTube channel, which is Kent with Duddy Dutch Barbecue. This is our first round elimination. Obviously, we both hope that we go to the second round. Kent, I want to wish you luck, buddy. But I'm hoping I win and move on to the second round. This is a big cook. It's actually 2 different days. I did this cook. I did the chicken wing links first, and let those sit in the refrigerator overnight so they could be let the casing sort of shrink up and dry up around the chicken meat. And I'm real happy with them. I ate one. I couldn't wait. Lots of food here. No testing today. Tasting. It's just way too much food to, for anybody to sit here and start eating. But I'm going to be freezing a lot of this, I'm sure, just away from myself. So enough talking. This was a great cook. Again, watch Kent's channel. Watch his video, his wing video. Watch my wing video, and may the best man win. That's what I'm asking for. I'm not asking for any favors. I want to know if I won, that I won outright because of my cooking on these wings. I'm Lance with sleeperbbq from St. Mary's County, Maryland. Thanks for watching. And if you don't see me in the next round, you'll see me cooking some more from my channel. Thanks again, y'all.